Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to get Paystub from Amazon Flex. Paystub is a document that summarizes an employee's paycheck, including their earnings, deductions, and net pay. It's also known as a pay statement, wage statement, paycheck stub, or payslip. So, how you can get it from Amazon Flex? First, open your Amazon app. Then after opening the app, then log into your account with your email and password. Then select sign in. After select sign in, from the home page, select the three dot icon from the top left corner. Then select earnings from the options. Then after select it, you will see your earning summary here, and just select anyone or look for the option to view or download it, and that's it. That's how you can get Paystub on Amazon Flex. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to give a like, and if you want more video like this, just subscribe our channel.